the day with a happy song. The sun shines bright above the trees while birds sing in the morning breeze.
Baby elephant stomps around, making a gentle thumping sound. Step by step across the land, wiggling tail, waving trunk by hand. Every animal stops to see the happiest elephant there could be.
Baby elephant splashes in a pond, playing where the lilies grow beyond. Water sparkles in the light, making everything look bright. Splash and splash the whole day through with shiny drops of silver blue.
A monkey friend. Together their laughter never ends. They jump and play beneath the tree, as happy can be, sharing games and silly fun underneath the golden sun.
Baby elephant dances around, moving to the jungle sound, swinging trunk from side to side, taking a joyful little ride. Every step becomes a beat, making jungle music sweet.
Baby elephant finds a flower patch, colorful blossoms in a batch. Pink and yellow, red and blue, the prettiest flowers he ever knew. He gently sniffs each fragrant bloom, filling the air with sweet perfume.
Baby elephant waves a flower patch, colorful blossoms in a batch.
Pink and yellow, red and blue, the prettiest flowers he ever knew. He gently sniffs each fragrant bloom, filling the air with sweet perfume. Baby elephant races through the grass, watching butterflies gently pass. They flutter high and flutter low, following wherever they go. Baby elephant laughs with delight at the colorful, fluttering sight.
Baby elephant plays hide and seek behind big trees near the creek. His friends all search high and low until they hear his happy hello. Everyone giggles with surprise as joy sparkles in their eyes.
As evening paints the sky with gold, the baby elephant grows calm and bold. The stars begin to softly shine above the hills and jungle vine. He watches the sky with peaceful cheer as nighttime slowly draws near.
Baby elephant waves goodbye beneath the twinkling evening sky.
Clap your hands and sing along to the baby elephant song. Tomorrow brings more fun to see, for the happiest